That is very important. Now, first of all, it is mandatory for any engineers. That's what the job I get. 15 years domicile that I have been in Goa for 15 years. So he doesn't know the climatic condition of Goa. Is my simple question to him. And then the most important thing, we have told you to do the roads for monsoon. We didn't tell you to do the road before monsoon. That in the monsoon it should go. That is important. So what is the productivity is not there. No? That is important for us.
पावसाक ब्लेम करता सदांच उठून.
हांव कोणाक ब्लेम करना. I am just saying कोणाक blame करपा that they must see. Because I cannot blame someone from others. But I am only want to clarify. This is not been done during Mr. Cabral's tenure. It has been done by his predecessor. Sir, so how it has been done and all this thing down, let Mr. Cabral investigate into it. It's simple as that.
सर रस्त्याची कंडिशन पळयल्यार ते ओके जे कोणी ऑफिसरांनी केल्या तांचेर मोठो प्रश्न येता कारण खंयच्या तरी ओके केल्या सर तेंच्यांनी.
अरे बाबा तुका कॉन्ट्रॅक्टराक 25 रुपयांचो रस्तो 5 रुपया तुवें दिल्या सो रस्तो तोच जावपाचो आहा.
सर पणजेन बुडले तेजेर फूल पणजेन ह्या फावटी उदक भरलेले.
See, as far as Benjamin is as far as the tide is concerned, you got to look at the tide also. Because the moment the rain basically starts, there is slow shower, then basically the water starts going.
पण पाट्यार बुडनाशिल्ले बाबूश ह्या फावटी पाट्यार फूल रोड ब्लॉक काबार जाल्ले.
Developments चल्लेले आहा. I think drainage is also needed to be clean. We will see.